Hello, hello everyone. Today we will discuss about some disease condition and its primary sign and symptom. Then let's start. First disease condition is Addison's disease. Addison disease, also known as hypocortisolism, this is the disorder in which the adrenal gland don't produce enough hormone, that is cortisol and sometimes aldosterone. The symptoms arise like abdomen pain, dehydration, loss of appetite, low blood pressure, darkening of skin, that is bronze like skin pigment. As you see the bronze like skin pigment here, here, here and here, bronze like skin pigment. Then the next disease is angina. Angina, also known as the ischemic chest pain. Angina is caused by reduced blood flow to the heart. Angina is a symptom of coronary artery disease, and the symptom arise in the disease condition angina is like crushing, stabbing pain, and this symptoms is relieved by taking anti-G nitroglycerin, and the pain areas are like and the pain areas are first one is upper chest pain, next substernal pain that is radiating to the neck and jaw, then substernal pain radiating to low down left arm, epigastric pain, then epigastric pain radiating to neck, jaw and arm, neck and jaw pain, both arm, shoulder, left shoulder affect that pain, and last one is intrascapular pain between the scapula. Then the next disease condition is appendicitis. Appendicitis is the condition in which the appendix become inflamed and it filled with pus causing pain. And the symptoms of appendicitis are first one is pain at McBurney's point, low grade fever, constipation or diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. Next, if we do physical examination, then rebound tenderness present, rosing sign present, sausage sign and obturator sign will see. Rosing sign is when we palpate the left lower quadrant, then patient may feel pain in the right lower quadrant. Next disease condition is skull injury, that is basilar skull fracture. Basilar skull fracture is a break of bone in the base of skull, and the sign may arise is raccoon's eyes, and next one is battle sign. Battle sign is the bruising present behind the ear, means mastoidis ecchymosis, and the raccoon's eye is periorbital ecchymosis. And other sign symptoms is leaking of cerebrospinal fluid from nose and ear. Next disease condition is liver cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis is also called hepatic cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a late stage of scarring or fibrosis of liver caused by many forms of liver disease like hepatitis, chronic alcoholism, and any type of injury present in the liver. And the symptom present in the liver cirrhosis, that is spider angioma. Next disease condition is Buerger's disease, that is also known as thromboangiitis obliterans. In Buerger disease, inflammation and thrombosis in a small and medium sized blood vessel, and the signs and symptoms are abdomen pain, pale red or blue, cold hand or feet, sore or ulcer on the hand or feet, and severe pain in the hand or feet. Thank you so much.